The deadline for submitting the entries for the RAM sale 2023 is Monday 7th of August. This year the only way to register your entries will be through your homepage. On the top you will find a yellow banner and you can click there for selecting your animals. Check the sale entry criteria and then select your animals. In this case I will select 3 rams and I will proceed. Then you will be able to select the order that you will like them to appear in the ring. For example, I will drag and drop the first one to the 3rd place. Then you can add comments on the right side and then you will proceed. Once you have accepted the terms and conditions, by ticking the boxes, click to submit. If you want to check the list of the animals that you have submitted, go to Management and then on the bottom you will find Sale Entries. You will find the list there. If you want to edit the animals list, you can edit there your selection, or also if you want to do it in another day, you can go again to the yellow banner, click there to edit the selection, and you will be able to either remove some animals or add new animals. Go to the list, remove one, and you can add a 3rd one. You proceed again.